Hey there folks, in this video we're going to talk about dividing polynomials again. And the first problem that I want to do is 4x to the fifth plus 22x to the fourth minus 85x to the third minus 46x squared minus 51x minus 27. And I'm going to divide that by x plus 8. Now, so if you recall from class, I need the exponents to add up to be this number, to be the inside number. So I need them to add up to 5. So I need 4 more x's. And then I divide the numbers. 4 divided by 1 is 4. Okay. And then I multiply. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 times 8 is 32. 4, then x to the fourth, and then I subtract. Straight down. Well, these cancel. 22 minus 32 is negative 10. And then bring down the next number. Well, I start the process over again. I need 4 x's. I have a total of 1. So I need 3 more. And then negative 10 divided by 1 is negative 10. So now I'm just going to multiply. Negative 10 times x is negative 10. 3 plus 1 is 4. Negative 10 times 8 is negative 80. Then x cubed. Subtract straight down. These cancel. Negative 85 minus negative 80 is negative 5. Bring down the negative 46. Okay. Now, I need 3 x's. I have 1. So I need 2 more. Okay. Negative 5 divided by 1 is negative 5. Start the process over again. Negative 5 times 1 is negative 5 x cubed. Negative 5 times 8 is negative 40 x squared. Subtract straight down. These cancel. Negative 46 minus negative 40 is negative 6x squared. Bring down that 51x. Okay. I need 2 x's. I have 1. So I need 1 more. Negative 6 divided by 1 is negative 6. So now I'm going to multiply. Negative 6 times 1 is negative 6. X times x is x squared. Negative 6 times 8 is negative 48. Then x. These cancel. Negative 51 minus negative 48 is negative 3. Bring down the 27. I need 1x. I have 1x. I don't need any more. Negative 3 divided by 1 is negative 3. So negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times 8 is negative 24. These cancel. Negative 27 minus negative 24 is negative 3. So I have a remainder of 3 of x plus 8. Now that's what we've been doing in class. Now, that took a long time. There is a faster way that we could do this. Okay, and I wanted to show you both ways just for the sake of time. Now, that other way is called synthetic division. Okay, so the problem is going to stay the same, but now I'm going to use synthetic division to do it. Now, so here is the problem. 4x to the fifth plus 22x to the fourth minus 85x cubed minus 46x squared minus 51x minus 27. And we're going to divide that by x plus 8. All right, so here are the differences. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the coefficients, and I'm just going to list them. The number one thing we have to remember is the exponents must go down in order. So we have 4, 22, negative 85, negative 46, negative 51, and negative 27. Now over here, we're just going to use the opposite of what's in here. So it's kind of like a shift, if you will. So instead of plus 8, I'm going to use negative 8. And that's going to go what I call on the shelf. I'm going to draw a line here. Another difference is with synthetic division, we add. Okay? Now, the numbers we choose to add with, though, come about a little bit different manner that I think you're going to like because it is significantly faster. So, what I'm going to do is, I always bring down this first number. Just bring it down. And then I'm going to multiply. Negative 8 times 4 is negative 32. And then add straight down. That's negative 10. Multiply. Negative 8 times negative 10 is positive 80. Okay. Add straight down. We get negative 5. Now I'm going to multiply by the shelf again. Negative 5 times negative 8 is 40. Add straight down. I get negative 6. Multiply by the shelf again. I get positive 48. That gives me negative 3. Multiply by the shelf again. That gives me positive 24. Add straight down. I get negative 3. So if you compare the problems that we just did, these numbers are exactly the same. Now, here's how we interpret them. This is the remainder. This is the number without a variable. So this has none. This gets an x, x squared, x to the third, x to the fourth. Okay, so that's how I'm going to write my answer. So I get 4x to the fourth minus 10x cubed minus 5x squared minus 6x minus 3. Okay, and then you have to remember that the remainder is over what you divide by. And that takes significantly less time. So that's the way I'm going to prefer to do them when I have x plus or minus a number. Okay? Now, this is what we call the depressed equation. We're going to use that term a lot in class. We call it depressed because if you notice, the exponent here is one less than what we originally started with. Okay? So, here is another example with a special case. So, in this example, I have take that back, I have v to the third minus 10v squared plus v minus 6. Okay? Now, I'm going to divide this by v minus 10. All right. Now, if you notice, I have a couple of these that don't have coefficients. All that means is that they are ones. And then what goes on the shelf is the opposite of this sign. Okay. So, I bring down the first number. Okay. 10 times 1 is 10. Okay. Add straight down, that gives me 0. 10 times 0 is 0. Add straight down, that gives me 1. 10 times 1 is 10. Add straight down, this gives me 4. So I have a remainder of 4. This is the number without an x. This would get x, or in this case v. And this would be v squared. So my new equation would be v squared plus 1, and then since that's plus 4, 4 over v minus 10. Okay. And that's what we need to know. coming in. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.